All right, this is part 3 of a tutorial on making an end grain cutting board using Autodesk Inventor. So in the last tutorial we assembled these 3 pieces, and now the last part of this is to actually basically constrain the two together and then do what's called an array to finish it off. So here now we're going to copy. So if you highlight everything, and we can just right mouse click or control C and go to copy, and then right mouse click and go to paste, which paste is right there. Now we have this one. Now I want this end to be on that side, so it's a little confusing sometimes, but still go to constrain like last time. We're going to constrain this edge here, and it's kind of a visual thing, and I'm just going to move this out of the way, and it's going to go to this one right here. And you can see when I scroll here, they are offset like that. We'll click apply, and then I'm going to take this surface right here to that surface, and again I'm going to move in here a bit. Click to there. You can see that's the wrong way that I want them, so I'm going to do a flush like that and apply. And then the last thing I do is end here and end there. And there is our final completed mate. Right? So from this part now, what we're going to do, and if you look here, you can see, whoops, wrong one I pressed. If you look here, you can see how they offset, right? And they match right now. All right, so the last part here is to do what's called an array. So an array is pretty simple. Highlight them, the ones you're going to array. We're going to go to what's called a pattern. Sorry, I should call it pattern, not array. Click on this. We're going to do a rectangular. And the column, what we got to do is we got to go column direction. So column direction basically is, see, I can go up. I can go probably that backwards. I'm going to go this way. You can see that it automatically arrays it out. And my distance, if this is 3/4, that's 1.5. So I got to change this number to 1.5. Right, there it is there. And now I'm at 3 inches for 2 of them. So if I go 3 arrays, I'm at 4.5. So if I go to 6 times 1.5, right, is basically, well, that's 9 inches. So let's go maybe 8. So go 8 of them. There we go. Click OK. And there's my finished cutting board already done. So how big is this mathematically? Well, 1 and 1, 3/4 is 1.5. Right, and we can add up, or we'll just go inspect because I'm too lazy to do math. Measure, and I'm going to measure from right here to the end, and that's 12 inches. So if you wanted a bit longer, all you would do is come back to the component here. All right, and let's just hit escape here actually. Come up to the component, and if we double click it, we could just change this. It's 12 inches right now, so I want it 15 inches. So I'm going to add 3 more, so that would be 10. And click on OK, and there we go. And now when we measure it, we are at, from here to there, is 15 inches. So that's it to basically arraying something or patterning something and creating an end grain cutting board. If you like that pattern, do this project. If you don't, go design something else. Right? And that is the finish of this tutorial.